Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Tay. Today we are going to be cleaning up post my son's 6th grade promotion party. So there's a lot of mess and a lot of leftovers and a lot of cleaning to be done. So I hope you will watch and get some cleaning motivation as you clean up something in your home. I'm going to bring my home back to normal. As always, I like to start with getting some decluttering done and clearing off the counter spaces so I can wipe those down and then move on to the next task. It helps to be able to see the counter space to feel like you're really making a difference. Okay, so who else is vertically challenged? I am short, so I need a step to get to the high cabinets. I can make the bottom and the middle cabinets, but when I have to put stuff back up on the high cabinet, or if something fell on a middle cabinet, I definitely need to step up on the steps so I can reach it and get the job done. Throughout the video, you guys will notice that I glance over at my TV, and that's because the Warriors game is on, and this girl is a die-hard Warriors fan. I'm from the town, so of course I gotta root for my team, win or lose. So as you can see, I didn't go too deep into my stove cleaning, but I do have a video where I went through piece by piece and really deep cleaned it. So if you're interested, I will link it in the description box below. My grapefruit all-purpose spray ran out, so it's time to use the next one, but I was really sad. I've really been enjoying this scent. Let me know your favorite method all-purpose scent down in the comments below, or if you use Mrs. Meyer's. I'm waiting for the, I believe it's apple cider scent to come out from Mrs. Meyer's, and I'm gonna grab that because I heard that is amazing. If you guys are interested in the cleaning products that I use in this video or in any of my videos, I will go ahead and link an iCard above that has my cleaning supplies haul that I did earlier in the year. This bag is full of candy. All of this sugar as if my son needs it. Come on now, it's summer break. We don't need that at home. So I did custom cookies for the promotion party. So there's purple graduation hats, there's diplomas that have purple and silver on them, and then there's also some circle ones that have some of my son's nicknames. We really enjoyed them. They were really good. They were worth it. I bought way more than I needed, but they are all gone now. People were calling and texting saying, hey, do you have more of those cookies? I want some more. So they are all gone. I also did pretzels, and I do still have some of those left, but I'm going to be farming those out to people because I don't need to continue eating that kind of stuff. Okay, so all of this stuff needs to go to work tomorrow with me, and then I didn't take that down yet. I am, but we wanted to take a couple selfies before we take it down, so we're gonna do that. And then this needs to go to the trash outside, and I'm just not gonna go out there tonight. And the floors will be a task for tomorrow, not tonight. But everything else is done.